Hello, my name is Matthew Fletcher, and this is my Smart Greenhouse Proposal video for SIT210 Embedded Systems Development. Greenhouses have been used for many years as they provide a warm and humid environment for plants to thrive in. They protect from pests and allow our plants to survive and thrive all year long. However, greenhouses haven't changed much and are due for some technological improvements. We live in an era where smart technologies are everywhere, in our car, our homes, our pockets, but not yet in our greenhouses. People these days are time poor, working long hours and not having time to check in on their garden, and this is a problem. Greenhouses do offer a warm climate for plants to grow, but if left unkept can easily dry out the soil and kill the plants. Current smart technologies for greenhouses aren't accessible to the everyday person, and are instead reserved for major companies specializing in mass production. As you can see, a simple 3-part solution for a smart greenhouse can easily jump towards the $800 mark. This is before any plants or even a greenhouse has been bought. My proposal is for a smart greenhouse solution that is cheaper than others on the market and more sustainable to a hobbyist market. It will be accessible from anywhere so that people can check their greenhouses from work, from school, or anywhere that they have connection to the internet. My smart greenhouse will also push them notifications to their phone if their plants are in dire need of water. And because all of these pieces are available off the shelf, there's no proprietary software to buy. The two main parts of my project will be a particle argon, which will act as a hub for my greenhouse's sensors, as well as a Raspberry Pi that will host a server dashboard for all the sensor data and can be accessed online. For my data, I'll be using ThingSpeak, and for my phone notifications, I'll be using IFTTT. Looking deeper at the sensors I have, I've given myself a few options for temperature and humidity. If I have time in the project, I would like to investigate I2C so that I could use a barometric sensor, which would give humidity, temperature, as well as relative air pressure, and this can be used to forecast rain. The alternate for this would be using a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Alongside this, I will use a soil moisture sensor to monitor the levels of moisture inside the soil. Going forward in developing, there are many aspects that could be built on top of this project. A fan could be integrated and could be used if the greenhouse exceeded a certain temperature. An automating watering system could be used in conjunction with the soil moisture sensor to make sure that the plants are always at an adequate level of moisture. A light sensor could also be used, and this could be used in two different ways. Either to help someone to see the greenhouse at night if they wanted to move plants around, or if they wanted to use grow lights that could turn on after dark if needed. To summarize, my solution will enable the hobbyist green thumbs to monitor their plants from afar, to send them phone reminders when their plants need a water, and possibly even to tell them if rain is coming. The main functionality will always be to monitor the temperature and humidity of the greenhouse. Thank you for watching.